Hello folks and welcome. My name is Mike and today I'll show you how you can use SOAX proxies on Dolphin Anty browser. Here we have it. For a start, we need to hit Proxies tab on your left, right up here. The next step will be plus button Create Proxy. Here you may see allow formats. I'll suggest to use this one as it will be the easiest to configure. Let's just copy paste this prefix up here. After that, we need to generate the proxy and set the geo in our dashboard. Let's choose United States as an example. Okay, let's choose this port, and all we need is just to copy paste this proxy URI in up here. Okay, the next step will be add button right up here in the top right corner. Right now we should check our connection and save it. Here we have to click on it and check connection. It is active. Let's hit the button save. And here we have it. Also, you may create a proxy with IP address authorization. For that, you need to at least your IP in the dash right up here. Check your IP, copy it, and paste it up here. Okay, the next step will be the same. Hit this button, create proxy, copy paste this prefix. After that, we just need to copy paste our server and the port from our filter. Let's create the filter. That will be United States as well. Let's assign 2 ports. Okay, let's go with this port, 10,001. Here, and hit the button save. Let's also check this connection. And it is success. Okay, let's save. Alright, so right now we have two proxies up here. Now we need to assign one of them to our browser. For that, we need to create it. Up here in this tab, Browsers. Here we can hit Create Profile button. Let's give it a name, SOAX US. After that, we need to hit Save Proxies up here and select our proxy from the list. Let's go with this one and hit the button Create. Okay. In order to enable this profile, we just need to hit button Start. Then the new window will just pop up. Here we have it. We may also check our IP in this window, like this. And as you see, it is a success, United States. Thank you for watching and take care.